In this video, we take a look at Divi Gallery Extended plugin and its compatibility with the Divi 5 theme. Once you are on the product page of Divi Gallery Extended, you can experience this live demo yourself. There is a button, Divi 5 Progress, which takes you to a page where we have placed individual link for each product's live demo that you can experience with Divi 5. So we're going to go and get the Divi Gallery Extended live demo. We have our test site ready, so we can go ahead and create a page to start exploring the plugin. Let's call the page Gallery and publish it, and then load the Divi Builder. So this is our Divi 5 theme builder, and we are ready to explore it, add our row, and then start adding the first module to explore how it works with Divi 5. So I'm going to go and type in Masonry Gallery is the first module, and I'll snap it on the right. Once the module is added, it's time to add our images. So let's select the images we would like to have in our gallery. We could add some variations so that we can have a better picture of categories, people, and here we are. So we just added a couple of pictures, and as you can see, the images are already on the left in the Divi 5 builder. We can enable the other elements as per our requirement. For example, filterable gallery, we can choose to show title of the image, caption, or where to show whether in the gallery or just in the lightbox. I mean, we can just use the plugin settings to configure it as per our requirement. And we can also have a pagination. So this is the first module which we just added, and we're going to go and save the page and take a look at it. And here is our gallery that we just created with the categories filter on the top. Let's close it and go back to the builder. We'll go ahead and add the next module. So this time we'll add dynamic masonry gallery module. This will let us display images as per the selected categories. So we would have a couple of categories selected, and the images from those categories will be displayed. We would further enable the pagination and maybe some more settings. So here we are. Yep, good to go. I'm going to save it and preview the gallery. This is a gallery displayed by categories. Let's go back to the page again. This time we will try the next module, the justified gallery. So we'll have the justified gallery added on the page. And in this case, we'll have to select our images once again. So let's pick up some images quickly, and almost done. And we have our justified gallery up and ready. We can configure it as per our requirement and publish the page. Let's take a look at the fourth module, and that is for video galleries. So we'll add it, and then you'll see option to add individual videos here that I need to add. You can add a title, you can add a caption, you can add a video. It could be a URL or a YouTube short, or it could also be a standard YouTube video. And in the next step, maybe we can go and just replicate it a couple of times. And we're almost done here. We just need to save the page, maybe little changes in terms of configuration, like the number of columns or how we like to display. So let's call it 2 columns. And this is the auto size that will give it a nice look here, as you can see. And save the page and preview it. And here is our video gallery once again. So that was Divi Gallery Extended with Divi 5, and we just explored the plugin and its features with the Divi Builder, and we produced the results and explored it in real time. You could also visit divextended.com and then the product page where you can check out this DB5 progress. That will take you not just to Divi Gallery Extended, but other products as well, where you can click on this button, launch a demo, and explore it with the DB5 theme in real time. Thank you for watching this video, and stay connected with something similar that we are going to add for other products on Divi Extended about the compatibility of Divi theme. Thank you so much for your time.